In this video, I'll show you how to create a character on OpenArt. So to do this, what you want to do is just open OpenArt, then here in the left menu, head over to character. You will then see this. You have three options. You can start from an image, you can describe your character, or you can build your character. So for example, if you go build your character, you can select the vibe, the gender, the ethnicity, the age range, and then here you can just describe the person and then click generate, and it's then going to generate a character for you. And you can then use that in the future. But you can also go from an image you already have to clone yourself, for example, or you can describe your character. Right here you can just describe whatever you want to do, choose the style that the image should be in, and you can choose the model right here. So that's how you can create a character on OpenArt. They also have a library of characters you can pick from right here. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.